What's up, beautiful people? And we are gonna take a visit at this store right here. I am not gonna do too much talking because I don't want to ruin the moments, but oh my goodness, I've already ran through this store one time and it is beautiful. Oh, I'm digging it. To all the people who I've been harassing, I probably should buy all of y'all a Hobonichi right now. Because you know I love my Hobonichis. And so this is the A5 cousin. And they've got all of the cases as well. Well, they got all of these little plain cases. I don't think they have the really great cases, but I'm going to take you all through this really quickly. There really is so much in here that it would be impossible for me to show you absolutely everything in the amount of time that I want to show it to you. So let me show you the highlights of what I seen when I came in here. Like, for instance, this right here. I mean, I could stay here all day and play with these Copic markers. I mean, look at the variety of them in here. You can just play with samples all day. I mean, look at the yellows. It's like, oh, I don't know. This shade of yellow is not really what I want. I really want this other shade of yellow. Give me the yellow 19. I think I'll take that one. And what is this? This is yellowish beige, buttercup yellow. Oh, this place is crazy. This place is crazy. Oh, and I didn't even see these when I came in here. Look at the leather pen wraps. My wallet is already trying to jump out my pocket and run because he already knows what's about to go down in this store. Look at all the beautiful stuff. Okay, so I'm going to go back around to this side right here because there's a bunch of people on that side. And we're going to skip past these normal books right here. Pardon me. What's up, man? How you doing, bro? Ah, yeah. Sorry. Now, some of this stuff, Momo from Momo Loves Paper sent me, but I know I had told her, don't ever send me, and I'm going to make a lot of enemies right now. Anything with a cat on it. I'm not feeling the cat, y'all. Sorry. That's not my thing. That is not my thing. But even though she sent me all of these, when I run out, I can actually come down here. So I'm in Sacramento, and this place is in San Francisco. But oh my goodness, look at all the paper. When you are just addicted to this stuff, you don't really need it, and you know you already have it, but you just decide you want some more. I'm trying to fight the feeling. Here's some more stuff that Momo sent me. Woo. Oh, here's some more stuff that Momo sent me. See, I have so much stuff that I really can't buy anything. Thanks, Momo. Homegirl loaded me down. I have no excuse to be running through this store trying to buy anything. But we're going to find something that Momo did not see. We're going to find something. So that was the paper flags and the washi and things of that nature. So we got a little bit of that. Here is some other style paper. So let's see, what is this? I wonder if this is, so this is Midori paper. I wonder what kind of paper this is. I'm gonna have to ask about it. I think this is a sample style paper. Yeah, if y'all never see me again, you know where I got lost. Pretty much I'm gonna run into a stock room in this place and just hide, come out in the middle of the night and just party, just get drunk off paper all night long. Oh, this feels so great. Oh, this paper feels so great. Oh, this paper feels so great. What is it? What is this thing? If you know what this is, put that in the comments for me. I mean, I could ask them, but what is this paper? Sorry about that. Okay, this is the Michaels wall. I mean, we can get, we can get this stuff at Michaels, at Walmart. I'm not messing with that. Let's get back to the goody. Who's getting married? Uh-oh. We got some more cat fans. If anybody's watching that's a cat fan, I'd be glad to pick up something for you. But that stuff will not be staying in my place. Neither will the cats. Okay, so this area is not really for me. Okay, let's kind of skip past this. And what are these? It says Origami Studio on it. Half the stuff. This is why I had to get Momo to buy the stuff for me. I just said, just go wreck, and whatever you buy, I'll just use it. Because I'm looking at this stuff and I'm like, should I buy it? Should I not buy it? I don't know what it is. I'll just leave it here and stare at it. Now, I done been through this store about 3 times, y'all, just so you know. I have thoroughly walked it. I just want to let y'all get a view of what it looks like. In fact, I'm in the back right here. This is what the whole store looks like. Wonderful, wonderful. So here are some brush pens. I love brush pens. Look at that big behemoth right there. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. And we have some inks too. I'll have to do a little bit more learning of what that sort of stuff is before I try to mess with it. Like, I have a few small brush pens, but you don't want to just go buy stuff and you don't even know what you're doing. You have had no training whatsoever. All right, so this is a case section. I don't really need to mess with that too much. And then over here are some, what are these, staples? These are like clips right here. What are these, y'all? I think these are clips with a way to put them on. I guess, you don't want to use your hands, you use that thing. I don't know what that is, but I don't see you know how you don't see yourself needing it, but you can see yourself wanting it just because it's there? Oh, that's just so sad. Okay, now we're down notebook lane. I think we all know about all these notebooks. If you write a lot, then you know that you got your Molokini. I've heard a couple of people say they don't know how to pronounce it. Believe it or not, I actually looked it up. They don't care how you pronounce it. They want you to pronounce it the way you feel like pronouncing it. So whatever is going to be the most comfortable for you, Molokini, whatever, the way you pronounce it is probably going to tell a little bit about your personality, though, right? It's like, I'm a Molokini person. I'm straight hood. Mine is a moleskin. That's how I roll. Moleskin. All right, so these are pretty standard pens, right? That you'll see everywhere. Okay, so, I tell you what, I think we done looked through this store together enough. And pardon me, oh, it's very tight right now. And I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna end it right here. Oh, here they have all the Pilot inks and things like that. we're gonna end it on the thing that I actually want, that I'm not gonna buy, but that I really want. Excuse me. So we're gonna end it right here on this. So this pen is like 40 bucks. Would love to pick it up because I love glass dip pens. You know, I'm just love fountain pens, but I don't think I'm gonna pick that up. I think I'm gonna go in here and probably get something simple, like some stickers or a clip or something like that. I saw some nice clips that I like that were like unique. Oh, it was a page flag clip. It's right here, y'all, right here. This was cool. Look at that. Look at that. I like those. You can put those on your notebooks and, you know, just pull out the flags. That was cute. I don't know. I might buy that. We'll see how much that costs. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I know it was all over the place because, you know, you're in the store. It's kind of hard to do one of these unless you got something set up. And on a Sunday, to have a zillion people in here, that was crazy. Anyway, I'm Rob Bourne. Thanks for watching.